Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. Yeah, it's beautiful weather. This evening we're gonna do some welding, and now I was thinking of doing some cleaning of the oil cap. So un momento, por favor. Okay, guys, first Monday of the month in March. You can hear the sirens. It's not even off. I wanted to wire brushes, and then see how this works out. Un momento, por favor. Hello YouTube, back at it again. Well, wire brushed it a little bit. And now I have some 2000 grit. 2000. Un momento, por favor. Well, YouTube, back at it again. Clean it out a little bit. Un momento, por favor. De engine, the engine, M117, 117. Un momento. Yeah, better than that it was. Huh? Hey. More maintenance, and I don't know if you can see it on cam, but under in the window there's some moist or something like that. The white. Never have it up. I penetrated those things and those things with WD-40, but they would not come up. I'm gonna do a WD-40 rondje again and have to address this area. Get out the tray. So un momento. Yes, guys, let's see that I can get some wiggle room in between that because it's not damaged at all. So nice. Did it before, but that roaster was completely damaged. This is so nice. Just have to paint it and so. So un momento. Yes, I want to try to use a piece of wood. Not try to press any metal into it. I know you have some plastic pry bars for it that work the best. Don't scratch the car. Yeah. I did it a lot of times, maybe 3 times. Never come up easy. Maybe you have to do it like this and then like that. Get it up. Why? It's not that easy, huh? Ay. See, and I don't want to put this is metal. This is plastic. Metal, plastic. Should be easy. Never came off probably. Oh, un momento, por favor. Can I even get it in focus? Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Whew! I'm gonna try the other side. Ah, but a little bit of damage. Oh, there's some sort of thing is holding it back. Er zitten some puntjes here, guys. Aha. So probably if you put this one, maar moet je aan die zijkanten open trekken, maar daar kan ik niet bij. Hey, why? Puntjes, boys and girls. That's one puntje. That's two puntjes. Hoi. That was a nice tutorial, boys and girls. Let me see you. I can see the punches. Uh, can you see the punches inside? Puntje hier, puntje there. That was the issue. Un momento, por favor. Hey, we zaten, daar zitten dus dingetjes van puntjes, puntjes. Flip that out, get that up. That's the idea. Sorry, my camera cut out. Un momento, por favor. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna drink me some coffee and charge up my phone. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you at the welding process.